Good evening, everybody. This is Vincent Anthony Gimel, and for today's video, I will teach you on how you can overlay a video. But before that, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my Facebook page, Vincent Anthony Gimel. All right, let's start. So, first step that you need to do is to open the CapCut application. And then after you open the CapCut application, we need to import a video and a picture. So by doing that, you can click the plus button. Okay, so we'll click the plus button and it will route us to where we can import video and a picture. So let's go to download and then let's import this video and this picture. And then after that, you click the open. All right. So there you can see the video and the pictures that we just imported from download. And then let's use the video as our cover. You can drag the picture or you can drag the video rather, or you can click the plus button. All right. And then let's use the picture as to overlay the video. All right, we can drag it or you can click the plus button there. And then we need to drag this. You can click the picture, then drag it to the right so that this picture will still be appearing up until the video will end. Now, as you can see, guys, that there are four endpoints. You can see it here, 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 and here. So this endpoint, you can click that and then you can resize the picture. You can make it like small or smaller. And then you can click the picture. You can move it upward or you can do it like in the middle or lower left or lower right or upper left or upper right or in the middle. All right. Or you can also use the scale to resize the picture. You can do it like you can make it big or you can make it small. All right. So let's try to play it.
Good afternoon, everyone. So,
All
for
right. That's
today's video,
working. All right. So if you find this video very useful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my Facebook page, Vincent Anthony Gimo. Bye bye.